guys, Jonathan here. Welcome to my channel. I had another freezing rain event. It's the day after. I did 2 videos yesterday, and it is freezing out, man. And thing got about 1/10 of an inch of ice. I'm doing a very short video today. Bring you up to speed here. I'm posting everything out there, just showing what's going on here. As noted, the cold front again has come through. My thermometer this morning said 5 degrees with the wind chill below 0. I'm going to say right now it's near probably 10 degrees. I haven't looked at the thermometer. You can hear the birds chirping. Maybe you can see that cardinal right there in the tree. Thing about them, the male-female cardinals stick together for life. And they're usually out here trying to get the cat food all the time. Same with blue jays I have, same with other critters, obviously. Anyway, this is going to be it today. Just came out the side to do a quick little short video, show you what's going on. But yeah, this is Missouri. Same thing, sheet ice. So y'all have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Alright, goodbye.